Hello YouTube. I just got my Skydio 2 the other day. I actually pre-ordered one a couple months ago and still hasn't become available. I found one online and was able to work out a pretty decent deal. So it's the first nice day we've had in a little while, and just gonna take it out here, try it out, try out the tracking and the beacon. This will be my first flight with the Skydio. Many flights with other drones, but this will be a cool place to test it out around some of these baseball fields and other structures around here. Riding the Onewheel. Got Indy with me. All right, I think we found a pretty cool place to launch the Skydio. It's in the middle of this baseball field here. And then we'll see how it can track. Good girl. Oh shit, it's behind the fence. Yeah, that's not what we want. Oh my gosh. How'd you do that, Skydio? Come on over here. There we go. Well, I guess it did a dronie. Well, I guess it did a dronie. Learning how to use this beacon. It says it's returning now. Oh man, it's pretty scary still. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It's doing an orbit around me right now. It was following me pretty good. It had got hung up when it was trying to track me in the front. I ended up going on the other side of that chain link fence over there, but I was able to back it up and get it out of there, and luckily nothing happened. I was a little concerned because the chain link fence is thin, and there's also some thin branches over there. But yeah, so far so good. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Still got 50% battery left. Let's see what else we can try out here. All right, so I just tried the motion track and the orbit in the baseball diamond there. And yeah, the motion track worked really well. There was a time when I had it following in front of me, and as I was turning and navigating the board in different directions, it had actually got on the other side of this 20-foot tall chain link fence. And so the fence was between me and the drone, which was kind of scary. There were some trees with some thin branches, but I just backed it up, and it followed me back out, and then went back a little bit further from the fence and just started riding again, and it stayed on the front side of the fence. So probably because I did try to take the distance out further, so it was trying to keep more distance from me, which is why it chose to go on the other side of the fence apparently. And then yeah, I just accidentally pushed the orbit button on the beacon. I'm still learning how to use it, and it decided to do an orbit, but worked pretty well. So far the drone's working really great. I can see how it's going to be really awesome tracking me on my dirt bike. Alright, we're gonna give this thing another try over here. I don't know if it's too dark or not, but we will see. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. All right, so it wasn't too dark for it. Drone flew really great. My impressions are, I'm very impressed. It flies extremely well. When people say that the obstacle avoidance is next level, that's not an overstatement. That is exactly accurate. There was a whole bunch of times where I thought I was going to hit some of these thin branches or these metal poles or the structure around here, and I was just like waiting for that sound of the, you know, or the boom, but it never happened yet anyways. So this thing is just incredible. The way it tracks you and thinks about where to fly, watching it is like watching something think about something and make a decision. You know, making choices with what's around it in comparison to what you're asking for it to do, meaning tracking it from front, behind, left, right. The choices it makes to accomplish that at the height and everything that it's doing is super impressive. I turned the height floor off because I wanted to be able to fly through and under some of these structures, and we did. And it was just a trip to watch. So yeah, very happy with this drone. Can't wait to track it on the dirt bike, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'd be cool if some more of you guys could subscribe or like. I'm really trying to grow my YouTube channel, and that would be awesome to have you guys subscribe. I'm going to post a lot more videos about the Cake dirt bike, different drones. I also own a Mavic 2 Pro, and also the Onewheel and Cake electric dirt bike, and possibly Tesla Model 3 Performance too, if that's something that some people might be interested in. So yeah, subscribe and let me know what you're interested in seeing, and I'd be happy to make a video. Thanks.